Satnamji, we are super excited to share with you about the apprenticeship program here at the Beehive. We have a mystery school for 9 months. We have a secondary mystery school called Mastering of Self, which is two programs in one. And then we offer New Paradigm, and I want to just share a little bit about that as I talk about the apprenticeship. So, many moons ago, when I began my career, about 15 years ago, I took my first training of New Paradigm. And it was the very first time that I opened up to receiving a vision. And that was really a way to ignite me into being a mystic. And so, one of the very first visions that I had was that particular one, and it was just really profound. I had second thoughts about, am I really experiencing this? And I was having an energy exchange with a partner at the time. And so when I came out of this session that I had exchanged with her, I told her about how impactful, and I didn't really tell her what it was. And I asked her her experience of it, and she literally described word by word, really, everything that I saw, she saw as well. And I thought, whoa, that is not just wishing or second guessing. And the universe was very kind to give me that affirmation that what I was doing is really for real. And so after that, my whole life as a mystic took a very, very different turn. And I started to really embrace all of that about me. And that particular vision was about serving people. It was a profound, profound experience to have, especially in conjunction with another being having the same experience. So it really woke me up to the potential for serving others and the level of service. So a massage is not just a massage. There is so much love and compassion that can be poured into the work of serving the muscles, serving the organs in that human being that is on the table. So that is pretty much the principle that I bring with the apprenticeship program. And when I traveled to Malta, this is a poster of all the different temples in Malta. Nidra was one of my favorite temples. And again, it woke up all of this service and the things that people did in the temples in ancient times, and enlivened this in me. So when I work with the apprenticeship program, I bring you to a space where, first of all, you have had to have trainings from me so that you have very clear settings into what spirituality is, who you are, most importantly, how your relationship to resistance is, and all of those things and much, much more really ignite how the quality of service that you provide to a person that's coming that really is sometimes in desperate need. So the apprenticeship program is really designed, it's a 25 case study program. So you will have hands-on on working with the public, and we do seva, which means service in yoga. So we invite the public to come and receive from us, and all of the students then start working with clients coming in the door as professionals. So we learn how to do intake form, how to do the sessions. They already know, and it's a whole other deal when they're doing it not on partners from their own training, but on people that really need it. So there is a whole other level of professionality that comes to mind and to their hearts. And then we do what I call an outtake. So the students then sit down with me and the client, and the student talks about his or her experience in relationship to the work that they did, and what any prescription for essential oils or meditations or any kind of guidance that they got from the work they will give their client, and then the client shares his or her experience about the session, and then I kind of monitor and I give any other feedback that might be potentially needed at the time. So all kinds of things can happen. It's a very profound experience. And then after that, we have a gathering and we meet and we talk about our highlights and lowlights about that particular day and the experience with the apprentices, the experiences with each other, with themselves, with their clients. And so everything gets discussed, and we always grow tremendously from every single time. So if you have any other interest in the apprenticeship here at the Beehive, please feel free to contact me and I'll be happy to chat with you. You can send an email or phone call, or I would love to meet with you in person. That would be a blessing. Thank you so much and have a happy, happy day. Bye bye.